Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps in iPhone. So before we start, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. So let's get started. To hide any app, all you have to do is long press the app. Here I'm long pressing the Rapido app, and then you have to click on require face ID, and then it asks for these three options and you have to click on hide and require face ID. As soon as you do it, it asks you for this permission, and then if you hit hide app again, this app will be disappeared from the menu. You cannot find it anywhere in your app library as well, and also in this list. So the only way you can find the app is to go back to this page, click here inside the hidden block. Click on the hidden, and it will prompt for a face ID, and then there you go, you have the app. So this is how you can hide the apps. Okay. How to unhide the app is pretty simple as well. You click on the Rapido app and click on don't require face ID. So that will remove the app from this hidden apps, and it will be available in the app library. Here you go. Okay, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.